So now it's time to wash the House of Man's kitchen floor. So I moved the majority of the detritus out of here. So now the next step is to get the majority of the loose debris off the floor. So normally, you know, if your girlfriend or wife is home, you would want to use a dust mop or a broom. But in the House of Man, we're going to be using a blower. So that takes care of that. We got it blown right out the door, right to the outside where it belongs. So now we'll get the wash bucket ready and we'll get some cleaner. So today's choice is the Zep Neutral pH floor cleaner, right from Home Depot. So it says it's got 3 different dilution rates. Light cleaning is 1 ounce per gallon. Normal cleaning is 2 ounces per gallon. And for heavy cleaning, 3 to 5 ounces per gallon. So we're going to make a 2-gallon batch and add 10 ounces of cleaning fluid. So we'll get some hot water running. So here's the first gallon. We'll get another one. Now we'll add 10 ounces of the Zep Neutral pH floor cleaner. There's 10 ounces. Now we're ready to start mopping. So it's been a long time since this kitchen floor has been cleaned. It's probably been about the spring, the last time this thing was cleaned. And it's been a long time because it's December when I'm doing this. We got any good stuff? Oh yeah, it's starting to get nasty. So now we'll try the foot pedal here. See how that works. Of course, you got to have the mop unlocked. So that works pretty good. So this floor is not the prettiest of floors in the world. Just your basic linoleum floor that's rolled up. And then being the main floor that's in one of the main entrances, it gets a lot of wear. So the biggest issue is coming in off the driveway. You get a little bit of a buildup from the driveway on your shoes, and you bring it in the house, and it turns the floor yellow. So not much I can do about that. Just that when the floor gets ugly and nasty enough, or something rips it, you replace it. So there's a little brief demonstration of the House of Man and his new spin mop bucket. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. So a couple of tips that I've just recently discovered is that, you can use the spin feature, as instructed. You can either unlock this and use the handle to, spin the mop head, and then another tip is that depending on how much you spin it, is depending on how wet you want the mop. So the more you spin it, the drier the mop. The less you spin it, the wetter the mop. But another little tip is that you can also use the the foot pedal, with the handle unlocked, and use it like that. But being in the House of Man, anytime that you can cheat. So as you've seen that I locked the handle, but you still can spin it. Just hold the handle loose in your hand, like such, and just spin. And then you can, stop it. So just a little tip to save you some time, in case you don't want to continually lock and unlock the mop, which I would assume that over time that would probably break off or wear out at one point. So you can save yourself the hassle and just, let your fingers do the spinning. So now that we're pretty much done mopping for the time being, we can take the mop head off. So, it's pretty gray. And throw it in the, you can, the way they show you is to step on it and then pull up on the mop head, and it just pops right off. And of course I did that right off camera because I'm not paying attention. So we'll do that again. We'll put that back on. And then we'll try to get it in frame this time. So we'll move this out of the way. So to get the mop head off, just, get the little microfiber off and just pull up on the handle. And it should pop right off. Just like such. And then you can take this part and throw it in a real washing machine, such as a Speed Queen, anything from a Series 8 or below, or a TC5. So next time I do laundry, that'll go into the washing machine. So now you're probably curious on how nasty the water is from several months worth of grime that got ground into the floor. So we'll move the camera over to the sink and we'll dump out the black water. And then we'll just rinse off the bucket with the handy dandy sink shower here. So that's it for this video. The House of Man linoleum floor is now nice and clean. For a couple of months anyway. Until, a couple of months when I decided to wash it again. Thanks for watching.